stop. Before you scroll past this, I need you to answer one honest question. Are you actually productive, or are you just busy? Because for 5 years, I thought I was working hard. I had a packed schedule, a full to-do list, zero free time. But at the end of every single day, I felt like I got nothing done. Sound familiar? Here's the real problem. Most people manage their time with giant to-do lists. But here's what nobody tells you. Your brain can only truly focus on one thing at a time. When you have 30 tasks staring at you, your brain goes into panic mode. You start doing small, easy things just to feel productive. You avoid the important stuff, and the day ends with the big tasks still sitting there, untouched. 2 years ago, I hit rock bottom with my productivity. I was a student trying to build something online, and I felt like I was failing at both. I tried every app, Notion, Todoist, Google Calendar. I tried waking up at 5 a.m. I tried the Pomodoro technique. Nothing stuck. Then one day, out of frustration, I grabbed 3 sticky notes, just 3. I wrote my 3 most important tasks. I stuck them on my desk, and something strange happened. I finished all 3 by noon. That was the beginning of the stick method. So what is the stick method? It's simple. Every single morning, before you open your phone, before you check messages, before you do anything, you pick 3 sticks, 3 tasks, just 3. The rule is, these 3 tasks must be done today, not tomorrow, not later, today. You write them down, you stick them where you can see them, and your entire day's energy goes into completing those 3 things. That's it. No apps, no complicated systems, just 3 sticks. Now let me give you 3 powerful rules that make the stick method unstoppable. Rule number 1. Your first stick must be your hardest task, not your easiest. Your brain is sharpest in the morning. Use that power on the thing you've been avoiding most. Rule number 2. No new tasks until your sticks are done. Emails, messages, social media, everything waits. Your sticks come first. Rule number 3. When you finish all 3 sticks, stop. Seriously. Celebrate. Tell yourself you won today, because you did. This rewires your brain to associate productivity with reward. Since using the stick method, I've built this channel from zero. I've improved my grades. I've started waking up excited to work instead of dreading my to-do list. And thousands of people using this method report the same thing. Not because it's magic, but because it's simple. And simple things actually get done. Here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, before you touch your phone, grab a piece of paper. Write down 3 tasks, just 3. Stick it where you can see it. Then comment below, what are your 3 sticks for tomorrow? I read every comment. Let's hold each other accountable. Subscribe to the Stick Method for a new productivity tip every single day. Stay focused, stay driven. I'll see you tomorrow.